Okay, handsome man, here's the deal. Your dentist appointment's at 10:10, so we'll have a little over an hour at home. Okay? Your bike is made too.
So here's a little fun fact for you. Not a lot of people seem to remember it these days, but Funimation's not the first group to license and dub One Piece in English. Let me take you back to June of 2004. The Skypiea arc is drawing to its close as One Piece nears its 200th episode. By this point, its audience has a really firm grasp on what this anime is, what it's about, and what it likes to do, and how it likes to do it. And by that, I mean, yeah, everyone who watched it was firmly aware by now that this was a show with a pretty fair degree of things like blood, cleavage, death, and several scenes that are still among the darkest in the series even today. And yet, somehow nobody at 4Kids Entertainment got the memo, because they had just announced that they got the rights to it and that they'd promptly be working on a dub and DVD release. But unbeknownst to 4Kids, this dub would go on to be...
And you, all buck, no bite.
Oh my god, this is it. This is the worst dub of all time. It was, oh god, you know, to call it a train wreck would be a massive compliment. Now, 4Kids dubs aren't usually regarded as cream of the crop dubbing, I know, but even compared to other 4Kids dubs, their sorry excuse of a One Piece dub easily stood out, not just as their worst dub, but one of, in fact, quite possibly the worst anime dub I've ever seen. Let me tell you all about the 4Kids One Piece dub and what made it so bad.
The Pokemon Sleep app lets you track your sleep with your smart device and fill up your sleep style decks.